How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. We're gonna meet up with some oaks today. Good friends of mine, amazing cars, really cool cars they got, and we're gonna have some fun. How's it, buddy?
Are you?
Doesn't help at all, and even this week.
Wow, is it?
Had to try you.
Awesome stuff.
Some... Which one's your car again?
I like it. The only Beamer, yeah.
Jeez. So he's other Asian.
He might be late, who knows? Maybe
he's
that's
gonna make up with Michelle.
Somebody gave you a diffuser. How's it, Genji?
Dad!
Long time, eh?
Yes.
Dad! Your son is looking for
What were
you.
you saying?
Oh,
For the
God.
him? If somebody gave you
I had to bring him out.
That's what you get.
One condition. Use a condom, guys. You're not step on. Oh man. So that I'm gonna be looking at my next dream car, the AMG GT. So when are you guys gonna buy this car?
next
Really?
Where's Kenji? There are no ditches around here, be safe. Where are you going?
Come here, Kev. How you doing?
Good.
Where you been?
Home.
Is it? How was it?
That's good, man.
You good?
Yeah. Fuck, I want this car.
The AMG GT. I want that one. I just want a C3S. That's what I want. And that's affordable. That is affordable. He's calling the salesman now to order his car. Oh wow, check at this. This is a electric drive B-Class. Is it getting charged?
Yeah.
Check this out. How cool is that?
Kennst du?
Ah ja.
So that was a good meetup. We got everybody there, everybody, including Kevin and Pierre, that said they couldn't come. It was a very short meet and greet. We couldn't talk much, we couldn't discuss much, but it was a very, very good meet because we haven't met for almost a month. Now we are picking up our McDonald's and ending our day.
Hello.
How's it? Sorry about that. Lady got my order wrong. I had to confirm my order again. So on my upcoming videos, we'll have a few more meetups. We'll have a few more photo shoots with some of the cars that we've got there. And yeah, in general, hopefully you'll like our videos. You mean my video? Sorry, that's what I mean. My videos.